Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing a look inspired by Lady Gaga's Abracadabra music video. For this look, I'm going to be using concealer over my eyebrows to give them a bleached type of look. For this, I'm using a concealer that's a little bit darker and warmer than my actual skin tone. This will help block out the hair color underneath. And I'm going over the brows with several coats, then going underneath to clean up the edges. Next, I'll be using the Jeffree Androgyny palette for the color Safe Word, which is sort of a peachy beige color. And I'm going to use an angled brush to create a cut crease-like shape. This look is very rounded, so I'm making sure to round the inner corners and give the cut crease a very round shape. Then I'm adding more color above that cut crease shape and blending out towards the brows. Then I'm using the Huda Beauty Mauves palette for the darker brown shade, and I'm putting this on the outer corners, being sure to still keep that rounded shape. Then using concealer, I am cutting the crease, again making a round circle-like shape, but I'm keeping that cut crease on the inner corners and the middle of the eye. Then I'm bringing some more of that darker brown shade onto the lids. Then I'm using the NYX Avant Pop palette for this sparkly peachy pink shade. And I'm putting this over where we put the cut crease. I do think that Lady Gaga's look came out a little bit more pink. Mine came out a little bit more peachy or beige colored. Next, I'm using the Naked Cosmetics Sparkle Loose Powder, and this is in a kind of pinky peach shade. This really adds a lot of light and sparkle to the inner corners. Then for underneath the eye, I'm using that same Safe Word shade. Then using white eyeliner on the waterline. This will also help to make your look more rounded. It doesn't look like she used any false lashes, so I'm just adding mascara to my top lashes, focusing on the outer corners. For the lips, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade Voyager, which is this darker burgundy shade. And then creating this sort of exaggerated pointed cupid's bow. Then her lips had some sparkle to them, but I actually think it looks better without, but I'll show you that version at the end. And that completes this Lady Gaga inspired Abracadabra makeup look. I think this is an interesting and bold look. I actually really like the lip shape, but it's not really something you'd wear every day. But it was a really fun look to recreate. For her look, it looked like she had a metallic kind of sparkly sheen to the top of her lips. So here I'm just adding some of the sparkles on top to see what that would look like. But I actually think it looked better without. But if you were going to wear this look out, I think a kind of metallic silvery lip gloss would work well. What do you guys think? Do you think it looks better with or without the sparkles? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.